Ka Meghalaya lukayukta ha ka arpanyo tarik menta ubnay kalapha da ka notice siya shipholngot kihe sorkar barim bat siya kasranat Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL halor ka jingmuduy kam bamsab ha ka jing pentre kam ya ka sobhagya scheme ya kani ka jing ujor la muduy persya da UMLA ka Voice of the People Party VPP kanot Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum ha ka khatar tarik menta ubnay kani kajing muduy kalong persya ya Chief Secretary Barim, Additional Chief Secretary Barim Power, Chairman ka Managing Director CMD ka MEECL, bat kihe Officer ka MEPDCL, kabakan thup ya Director Distribution, Chief Engineer Distribution, Chief Engineer Rural Electrification, Company Secretary, Chief Accounts Officer, Deputy Chief Accounts Officer, Additional Chief Engineer Material Management, but Additional Chief Engineer Planning and Design, kata da kabapensyong Nongrim, katkum ka kaipot jong ka Comptroller and Auditor General of India on Social and Economic Sectors jong usnam bakut, jong ka laikwe terik leber arhajar arpuar. Ha kahukum balapan mi da Chairperson Meghalaya lukayukta uba bidhar, ha ka arpunyo terik jeliw laong. Ladap banyo iya kajing ujor kabakhat ar tarik jeliw bala ujor hapo ka kenduan 131A jong ka Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 da uba Adelbert Nongrum ha iya ka notice siya barot ba siya ujor kumbala kadog kerteng bat sulang haringkat ka kopi jong kajing ujor nalor kata labat haru namar kajing keno katkum kajing muduy kadai kabala pensyong Nongrim katkum na kakaipod jong ka Comptroller and Auditor General of India CAG ya kabala muduy siya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly pa ya ka notice bat ka copy jong ka shiti siya u Commissioner and Secretary Meghalaya Legislative Assembly nalor kata ka hukum kalabat haru banbu ya ka arpulay trik naitung hakapor arbaje janmit bansyong bishar halor ka Nongrim jong ka jing ujor